Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we will learn how you can back up your Gmail emails and download them on your PC and keep them saved for future. So let's open your email. I'll just open Google Chrome. So just log into your Gmail account, and now at the right hand side, you will see an icon for your Gmail account. You just need to click on it and click on Manage your Google account. And on the next screen at the left hand side, you will see Data and Privacy. Just click on that. Now just scroll and find something that says Download or Delete your data. Click on Download your data, and on the next screen, it will show you all Google services. We just need to click on deselect all, and from the list we will be selecting only Gmail because we are trying to download our Gmail emails. So here's your mail account. Just put a check in the box, and you can click on all mail data include, and you can select if you need all mails or if you just need your inbox emails or draft, send, start. You can either choose the ones you want, or you can put a check in the box, include all mail, and then click OK. Now just scroll to the bottom and click on next step. Now here you will have to choose the frequency, like you want to just export everything once or you want to export every 2 months for 1 year. So I'll just select the first option, export once, and select the file format as zip format, and then select the size you want. I'll just select 2 GB and click on create export. Once you click on create export, you get this message: Google is creating a copy of data from mail. And if you have lots of emails, then it may take a long time depending upon the data you have. And that's what it says here. This process can take a long time, possibly hours and days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. And after some time, you can just open your Gmail and check if you have received any email. Okay, I have received an email that says your Google data is ready to download. Just open it and click on download your files. Now you need to type your password here. And click on next. You can click on the download button. The reason it shows to download because I have tried this earlier as well. And your data will be downloaded. So just click on that down arrow and go to your download folder. So this is the latest zip file which I have downloaded. I'll right click on it and click on extract to the same folder name, and it will create a folder of same name in download folder itself. So just double click on it and double click on the folder which is inside. You will have mail and archive browser.html file. You just need to double click on the second file and it will open up in a new window where you will see Gmail at the left hand side, and at the right hand side, if you just scroll, you will have the option you are in control of your data in mail. You can click on, you can now review your mail in the Gmail user interface. So if you click on it, it will open up your emails. So these are the emails which were backed up. So I'll just close this, and that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you liked the video, and subscribe to my channel. You have a great day. Bye bye.